Hi students, before classes we learned representing of natural numbers, whole numbers and integers and rational numbers in number line. Now let us discuss, find the two rational numbers between 2 and 3 by mean method. Explain that. You know that the rational numbers lines between two rational numbers a and b is a plus b by 2. What is mean? The sum of all observation by number of observations, a plus b by 2. Here a equal 2, b equal 3. Substituting a plus b by 2. Therefore, 2 plus 3 by 2 equal 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is a rational number which is in between 2 and 3. Draw a number line, unit distance 2, 3. Between 2 and 3 between exactly center point 5 by 2. We continue above process we can find many more rational numbers 2 and 5 by 2. Same process similarly a plus b by 2, a equal 2, b equal 5 by 2. Substituting equation a equal 2 plus b equal 5 by 2 by 2 equal 2 by 1. First of all, denominator LCM 2, 1 2 ja 2, 2 into 2 4 plus 2 1 ja 2, 1 into 5 5 by 2 equal 2 2 ja 4 plus 5 1 ja 5 by 2 by 2 by 1 equal 9 by 2 into 2 by 1 is reciprocal 1 by 2. 9 1 ja 9, 2 2 ja 4. Another rational number 9 by 4. 2 and 5 by 2 exactly center point 9 by 4. Same problem. Find the two rational numbers between 2 and 3. Another process, second method. Apply 2 and 3. Find the two rational numbers. Required rational number 2. One more than required rational number 2. 1 plus 2 equal 3. 2 and between 3. 2 by 1 and 3 by 1. These numbers are also rational numbers. 2 by 1, numerator, denominator both multiplied 3. 2 3 ja 6. 1 3 ja 3. Next 3 by 1. Numerator, denominator both multiplied 3. 3 3 ja 9. 1 3 ja 3. Therefore 6 by 3, 9 by 3. But find the two rational numbers 7 by 3 and 8 by 3. 6 by 3, 9 by 3 between two rational numbers 7 by 3 and 8 by 3. Another example. Find the rational numbers, 5 rational numbers between 3 and 4. For example, 5 rational numbers find out. One more than required 5 rational numbers. 1 plus 5 equal 6. Required rational numbers 5. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 2 by 2 between 3. 2 by 1. Numerator denominator multiply 6. 2 6 are 12. 1 6 are 6. Next 3 by 1 is a rational number. Numerator denominator both multiplied 6. 3 6 are 18. 1 6 are 6. Therefore 12 6 and 18 by 6. 13 by 6, 14 by 6, 15 by 6, 16 by 6 and 17 by 6. Find the 5 rational numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 between 12 by 6 and 18 by 6. Another examples. Find the 2 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. 2 by 3 and 3 by 4 are unlike fractions. Convert into like fractions. You know that unlike fractions means denominator is different. Like fractions mean denominator is same. First of all, denominator LCM. 3 into 4 equal 12. First fraction 2 by 3. Numerator denominator both multiplied 3 4 is 12. 4. 2 4 is 8. 3 4 is 12. Next fraction 3 by 4. 4 3 is 12. Numerator denominator multiply 3. 3 3 is 9. 4 3 is 12. Convert into like fractions. 8 by 12 and 9 by 12. Apply the second method. Find the 2 rational numbers between 2 by 3 and 3 by 4. One more than required rational number, 2 rational numbers. 1 plus 2 equal 3. 8 by 12, both numerator denominator both multiply 3. 8 3 is 24, 12 3 is 36. 9 by 12. Numerator denominator both multiply 3. 9 3 is 27. 12 3 is 36. 24, 36. Between 27, 36, 2 rational numbers. 25 by 36, 26 by 36. 24, 36 and 27 by 36 between 2 rational numbers. 25 by 36, 26 by 36.